Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy fruit sorbet. To begin, gather your ingredients. About 4 cups of your favorite frozen fruit, like berries or mango, 1/4 cup of water or fruit juice, and an optional 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick dessert or a healthy snack, and it comes together in just a few minutes of active preparation. The first step is crucial for that perfect sorbet texture. Make sure your fruit, whether it's strawberries, peaches, or a mix, is thoroughly frozen. Then, carefully transfer the 4 cups of rock-solid fruit into your blender or food processor. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of water or fruit juice. This liquid helps the blades move and prevents your machine from struggling, ensuring a smooth blend. Now, it's time to blend. Start your blender on a low setting, then slowly increase the speed. You'll want to pulse and scrape down the sides of the container every 30 seconds or so to ensure everything is evenly incorporated. If you desire a sweeter sorbet, now is the moment to add your 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, blending for another 15 to 20 seconds until smooth and creamy. Your delicious, homemade fruit sorbet is now ready. For the best, soft-serve consistency, enjoy it right away. If you prefer a slightly firmer scoop, transfer it to a shallow dish and freeze for an additional 30 to 60 minutes. This easy recipe yields about 4 servings, perfect for sharing. Store any remaining sorbet in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week, though it's usually gone much faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.